Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming TikTok has camera access and that your phone supports higher frame rates. Open TikTok, tap plus, then switch to camera mode, choose the higher FPS option if available. Next, set recording speed to 0, 5 or 0, 3 for pronounced slow motion because lower speed values preserve motion smoothness. Once done, stabilize your phone and frame the shot. Make sure lighting is bright so each frame is crisp. Start recording a slightly longer clip than you think you need. After recording, tap the checkmark to enter editing. Trim the clip to isolate the action you want slowed, because slow motion looks best on short, decisive moments. Then open the speed or time controls. You can pick preset slow speeds or use curve tools to ramp speed gradually. Drag handles to define the slow motion start and end. Increase intensity for dramatic effect, but avoid overslowing, which causes choppiness. Preview repeatedly to confirm timing and rhythm feel natural. Finalize your video by adding audio, color correction, and captions. These polish the slow motion moment and guide viewer focus. Export using the highest quality setting available so frames stay crisp, and make sure aspect ratio matches your intent. If playback looks choppy, record at a higher FPS or reduce the slowdown amount slightly. Smoothness depends on source frame rate. If export or speed tools misbehave, clear TikTok cache, restart the app, or update TikTok. Most issues resolve with those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.